So I wanted to make a quick video and show you about this Nature Valley Savory Nut Crunch White Cheddar. This is how it comes in a package. It's 130 calories. Here's the back, shows you all the ingredients and also the calorie facts right here, nutrition facts right here. So it's 130 calories. And this is something new. I wanted to just show it to you. So we're going to open this up and we're going to take a look at it real quick. Let's open this up and see what it looks like. I'm going to put it in the package on the plate here. Unfortunately, it did come broken, but I wanted to show you this is how it looks. Just like that there. It looks yummy. Let me take a quick bite and tell you how it tastes. Good. White cheddar. Looks like it has little nuts in here. Nice and light. You can see some of the peanuts in here embedded. Definitely a nice quality product. Tastes great. I definitely recommend these. These are really good. I like these a lot.